Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and navigating straight to monetization, then memberships. You need to be signed in as the channel owner. Once there, check which membership tiers are active and confirm your eligibility to change prices. Make sure you already know the new price, currency, and whether you'll rename the tier. This saves time. Once done, select the tier you want to edit so you can access the price controls without extra clicks or waiting. Now you'll edit the specific tier. Click Edit on that membership and find the price field and currency selector. Change the numeric value precisely, including cents if needed, and then preview how the new price shows to potential and existing members. While adjusting price, make sure the listed benefits justify the change. Update perks or descriptions to match value. Once you confirm text and price, save the draft, because saving commits the new amount for future signups and prepares the rollout to current members. Finish by saving changes and responding to any Google billing confirmations. You should capture a screenshot for records. Then communicate clearly to members. Tell them when the price takes effect, whether existing members are grandfathered, and how they can change tiers. After rollout, verify by checking a sample member receipt and your revenue reports to confirm the new amount is applied. If you see mismatches or unexpected charges, contact YouTube support and provide screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.